I'm getting my eyebrows done today and nails tomorrow. And then I was gonna get a spray tan, but like honestly, my like girl that used to do them like doesn't do them anymore. So I'm like, I think I'm just gonna do it myself and like use like Saint Tropez a couple nights. I'm going to pack. Just like running around, cleaning my room a little. We're gonna go to like Plato's Closet and try to sell some of our clothes, but they're really like tough, really weird requirements, I guess, for what kind of clothes they take. So we're gonna do that later, but I am probably not gonna go to the gym today. I might just like stretch later, just have like a chill night. But yeah, it is Wednesday and I just kind of felt like vlogging my day today. Might be interesting, might not. Me and my friend really want to go to this Thai restaurant, and if so, I'll film that because it is the best food I've had in South Carolina. It is so good, and I think this place is new. Right now, I'm running to class. I woke up, did some like skincare, and then had my celery juice. I'm trying to have turmeric shot every day and celery juice every day just for internal health. I feel like with all these sicknesses and everything that's going on right now, just important thing to just be healthy. So yeah, I just feel like it's really important to focus on your internal health, what you're putting in your body, drinking lots of water, stuff like that and especially before you travel, because I'm about to travel for spring break. We're going to Key West. Yeah, I've been doing a celery juice every morning and then a turmeric shot, and honestly, like, I do like the taste of both of them, so I don't mind. And then I had a big glass of water and I just made my coffee to go. I have been eating the like Trader Joe's overnight oats probably like, I don't know, twice a week maybe, and they're so good. They're like so easy and quick. It's $2.99. Like, that is just crazy. So I am just headed to class. I'm in like the most comfy outfit. Normally going to class I'm in like workout clothes, so I'm in like a little tank top, like leggings, whatever, but now I'm in like comfy sweatshirt and these like joggers. I'm just so happy. So that is my morning check-in. I surprisingly am a little bit awake, even though I haven't really had my coffee yet. But yeah, I will catch up with y'all later. Okay, so I did end up going to the gym just for a little bit because I did have time. Like, my class got out early, which was nice. So I just got back from there, just did a little treadmill, nothing crazy. But now I'm here to get my eyebrows done, and it's at this cute little spa in Columbia. Like, it's so cute, just serene. It's raining outside, so I'm just gonna go get cozy. But yeah, I did end up going to the gym for a little bit, and now I'm just running some errands and stuff. So fun. Okay, so I'm now packing and catching on The Bachelor. It is a rainy day and I just made like a little matcha. And yeah, so I'm just kind of packing. It's a 5-day trip, so I'm trying not to overpack. But yeah, it'll be fun. Just some beachy clothes. And yeah, so I just have The Bachelor and I'm like catching up. It's been forever since I've watched it. It's honestly a pretty chill night. I keep trying everything on, so that's why I'm wearing a robe, because I always I haven't worn my summer clothes in months, so I'm just double checking, like making outfits and stuff like that. So this is the packing progress, but yeah, honestly love packing. It's like fun, so I do not mind. Got a little mini like lash fill. They could do one for $30, and I think this is the last time I'm doing my lashes because it's such an inexpensive habit and I kind of just wanted to do it for spring break, and I've had them since October and don't have a job right now. So that being said, I think this is the last time I'm doing my lashes, but I just got a little mini fill and they look really good actually. Like I just wanted her to put a few extra in before I head to the beach. It was less expensive and stuff, but they look great. And now I'm off to class. I have a presentation, which is why I'm in this little sweater. And yeah, later we're gonna do our nails. I'm not sure what color I want to do. I kind of either want to do like bright blue or orange maybe. Like I don't know why I was craving, like not craving, but I was like thinking about doing orange. And I haven't had lunch yet. It's like 2 o'clock. I really need to figure out what I want for lunch. I kind of made a late breakfast, but I still need to figure out what I'm doing in the lunch department. I like wish I could have a smoothie, but it is just so cold outside that is not gonna cut it. So I need to figure out what I'm doing for that. And yeah, that is my little update. So I'm off to class, 2 in a row, and then afterwards I'm going straight to get my nails done. Also, I got this cute little scrunchie at Urban. It came in a pack of like, I don't know, 5 like little cream ones, or like different shades of pink, and isn't it kind of cute? I really like it. So all right, I'm now getting on the main road, so I'm signing off now, but I will let y'all know what nail I pick.
Ryan Little.
So we made it to Key West. This is our second day. We're gonna go to the beach now, hang out, and probably go out to dinner later. So I'm excited. And this is the cute little coffee stand that's like on every floor. Yeah, exciting things.
To me now, I don't want your love.